With no further ado, go to the Indicators tab and search for High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker. Go to its settings and in the Input tab, change the OTT period to 3, the OTT optimization to 0.7, and the highest and lowest length to 21. In the Style tab, make the changes as you wish. When the candles cross the upper line of this indicator and pass it, it indicates an uptrend and can be a point to place buy orders, as shown in this example that gave us good profit at this point. When the candles cross the red line and pass it downwards, it indicates a downtrend and we can place sell orders at these points. Now we need to add another indicator. Go to the Indicators tab and search for Multiple EMA. Go to its settings, keep only 100 EMA and 200 EMA and change their colors as you wish. When 100 EMA is above 200 EMA and the price candles are above the 100 EMA line, we realize that we are in an uptrend. When 200 EMA is above 100 EMA and the price candles are below the 100 EMA line, we realize that we are in a downtrend and can place sell orders at these points. If you like working with the moving averages and related strategies, I suggest you watch the video in the caption. Now it's time to combine these two indicators and explain the strategy, entry and exit points, take profit and a stop loss. Buy setup. For buy trades, we have three conditions that must be met simultaneously. First, wait for an uptrend breakout. Second, wait for 100 EMA to be above 200 EMA and show us an uptrend. Third, make sure that the price candles are above both EMA lines. When these three conditions are met, we can place a buy order and set our stop loss below the red line of the HOTT indicator. And risk to reward ratio will be 2. Sell setup. For sell trades, we have three conditions as well. First, wait for a downtrend breakout. Second, make sure that the 100 EMA is below 200 EMA and show us a downtrend. Third, make sure that the price candles are below both EMA lines. When these three conditions are met, we can place a sell order and set our stop loss above the upper line of the HOTT indicator. And risk to reward ratio will be 2. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video and leave your comments below.